climate change affects all of us. Erosion, floods, landslides, damaged crops. What is Spatial Data Infrastructure for Restoration? It is a web tool that offers planners geographic information to locate priority restoration sites in response to environmental challenges faced in a given territory. Why is spatial data for restoration important? Because it shares with any geographic information systems user data with international standards publicly and at no cost, allowing its use for the generation of key information for conservation and restoration of landscapes in Latin America. How can it help your community? It allows local governments to identify and implement restoration priorities established in a participatory manner in their territories. Already mapped are the autonomous region of the northern Caribbean coast of Nicaragua and Costa Rica. Soon to be mapped, the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, Guatemala, and El Salvador. All information can easily be viewed and downloaded online. Spatial Data Infrastructure for Restoration. The viewer is created with applied technology for everyone's benefit.